everybody, and my name's Orsen. I'm 6 years old. Today we're going to make a tissue bed for Fighter, my buddy right there. Ta-da! Let's make it. First, you're going to need to look at this line right here. You're going to fold it. That was easy. And now we're going to fold it into a square. And now we're going to fold it into this. And now we're done this part. Now we're going to make the pillow. We're going to do the same thing like this. And then we're going to make it even smaller. A square, rectangle, and a square, and a rectangle. Now, we're going to add that on top. There we go. Well, is Fighter long enough? Because he has weapons, and he's a fighter skeleton, so that's what I call him. Yep, he is. We're going to make the blanket. Here it comes. We're going to do the same thing, but skinnier. Line up the line. We're going to do a square. And we're going to fold a little bit of this. And the same thing at this side. And now we made him the bed. Let me show you what it looks like. There. The bed continues. And then here. The pillow. This is a pillow.